Place the cadaver in the prone position and remove any remaining skin from the posterior half of the head and neck. To do this, first place blocks under the chest of the cadaver. Then make a deep incision down to the bone from the superior aspect of one ear in the coronal plane to the superior aspect of the other ear. Make a vertical incision from this cut to the external occipital protuberance. Reflect the skin flaps down to the superior nuchal line. Note the thickness of the cutaneo-aponeurotic layer and the scalping plane between that layer and the periosteum that remains attached to the calvaria.